back to another exciting session of Genius Minds. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and safe. Dear children, in the last class, we have studied about our sense organs. So today, we are going to have a total recall. Our sense organs. We have how many sense organs? 5. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eye. Eye helps us to see the beautiful world around us. It acts like a camera. It detects moving images, colors, and all the things around us, and it sends the information to our brain, and the brain tells us what the object is. Nose. Our nose is the organ which helps us to sense the smell. With the help of our nose, we can detect whether the smell is pleasant or not. Ear. Ear is another sense organ which helps us to hear sounds. Yes, it helps us to detect the sounds and where the sound is coming from. Tongue. Our tongue helps us to detect the taste of the food. It has thousands of taste buds which helps the tongue to detect the taste of the food and tells whether it is salty, sour, sweet or bitter, so that we can have the tasty yummy food, isn't it? Next is the largest sense organ, which is that our skin. Yes, our skin covers the entire body and protects the internal parts, muscles and bones of our body. It helps us to sense the surface is rough, smooth, or it is hot or cold. Then which is the remote control of our body and controls all the body parts? Yes, it is our brain. Our brain controls all the parts of our body and sense organs. How do we take care of our sense organs? Dear children, brush your teeth twice a day. Clean your tongue while brushing your teeth. Have bath regularly. Wipe your body completely dry and wear clean clothes. Use clean towels. Wash your hands before and after food. Always carry a sanitizer when you are going out. Avoid noisy places and louder music. Always eat healthy food. Do exercise regularly. Wash your sense organs with clean water. Always keep your surroundings clean and tidy. Don't forget to drink lots of water and keep your body hydrated. Self-discipline and self-hygiene is the only way to keep us healthy and strong. Physically challenged people. Who are physically challenged people? The people who are not able to see, speak or hear are physically challenged people. The people who cannot hear are called as deaf. And the people who cannot see are called blind, which is the system of education which helps them to read and write. Braille system. Who developed it? Louis Braille. It has raised dots which help them to read and write. The people who cannot speak are called dumb. They use sign language to interact with other people. Then how can we take care of these physically challenged people? Help them feel normal by being friendly to them. Help them in their daily chores. Encourage them to go to school and study. Take them out for picnics. Be kind and sensitive to them. So, by following these ways, we can take care of them. Old people also need care. Old people need our support and understanding. There are many things which they cannot do by themselves. We should help them. The most important way to show our love and care for them is to spend time with them. So, children, we can also help them in many ways, like carry their bags when you are going out. Be patient with them. Be gentle and kind when you are speaking with them. Don't be rude. Fill the glass of water to them so you can offer a water. Help them to climb the stairs. They are finding difficulty to climb the staircase. You can hold their hand and help them. Offer them your seat in a bus or any public transport. So this is the end of Total Recall. Great job. You did a great job, children. Tap yourself. Let's move on to worksheets. Are you ready? Tick the correct option. How many sense organs do we have? 5. Excellent. People who are hard of hearing wear hearing aid. Excellent. People who cannot speak use sign language. Excellent. People who cannot see at all are blind. Excellent job, children. You did an excellent job. Tap yourself. Now let us move on to fill in the blanks. We have dash to taste. Tongue. We wear if our eyes are weak. What do we wear? Spectacles. Very good. Dash was developed by Louis Braille. Braille system. Excellent job. Some old people live in old age homes. Yes. We should be dash and dash to the physically challenged people. Kind and sensitive. Yes, you did a great job. Now let us move on to answer the following questions. How many sense organs we have and what are they? The answer is we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Yes. What is Braille system? The blind people use their fingers to feel different patterns of raised dots to read and write. This system is called Braille system and it was developed by Louis Braille. Who were physically challenged people? The people who cannot see, hear or speak are called physically challenged people. They go to special schools. How do we take care of old people? By spending quality time with them and being kind and sensitive to them. Good job, children. Tap yourself. Now let us move on to activity time. Are you ready? Yes. Parents-children activities. Here you have to take the help of your parents. The first activity is related to your tongue. Tongue testers. Yes. Here you have to get blindfolded and taste the different types of juices. And you have to tell the name of the juice. Did you have fun? Yes. Now you can also use different flavored candies and you have to taste them one by one and tell which flavored candy it is. Now let us move on to the skin. What's in the box challenge? Here you need a box with a hole at one side. so that you can insert your hand and detect the objects. Ask your mother to place different objects or toys or anything so that you can touch, feel and detect the objects. That was a fun part, isn't it? Do you have fun? Yes. Now let us move on to the next sense organ. Eyes. Yes. Look at the sight words and enact. Here you have to ask your mother to hold a board with sight words and you have to do a role play according to the sight words. You can mention the names of persons or objects or any animals and act according to the sight words. Great job! Did you have fun? Yes. Did you enjoy it? Yes. Let us move on to our ears. Blindfold your friend. Play the sounds of different animals. Ask him to tell the names of animals. Here you can play different sounds of animals and ask your friend to detect the name of the animal. Isn't it a fun part? Do you enjoy it? Good job. Tap yourself. Now let us move on to our nose. Get your eyes blindfolded. Now rub petals of different flowers in your palm and identify the name of the flower. Here you have to take the help of your mother to blindfold you and you have to rub the petals of different flowers in your palm and smell them so that you can identify the name of the flower. You can also use different types of fruits instead of flower. Wow, that was lots of fun today. Did you enjoy it? Yes. Now comes the most sad part, that is the end of the session. But don't worry, I'll bring you new fun learning sessions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for the notification of the next session. I don't want you to miss my next session. See you in the next class. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.